to Mother Nature. Beautiful sun, fresh air, clean water. So good, so fresh, so hairy. What's up, Buggy Buck? How's nature been treating you, baby? What up? Fly, nature, fly!
I warned Beast Boy about coming into this hostile environment. We need to remember that Mother Nature is against us out here. We'll have to do whatever it takes to survive until we find Beast Boy. What'd you do that for? Pure protein. Out here, you take every meal you can get. You never know when you'll have a chance to eat again.
Okay, Crazy. You just ate a sandwich 5 minutes ago.
Oh, come on, man. In the wild, any meal could be your last.
Yo, Robin, please!
This forest is loaded with butterflies! Titans, I have found some tracks belonging to Beast Boy. Pure protein! Is everyone staying hydrated?
I could use the liquid refreshment.
Where did this water come from? From the lake. We have to do what we have to do to survive in the wild.